500 subscribers. That's all YouTube requires now to start making money, not 1,500. And most creators in 2026 have absolutely no idea this changed. What a fumble. For years, everyone said the same thing. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to make money on YouTube. That was the rule. That was the target every new creator chased. YouTube changed it, and barely anyone covered this properly. In this video, I'm going to break down every single way you can earn money on YouTube in 2026. Not just one method, 6 different income streams. And for each one, I'll tell you the exact subscriber count and watch hours you actually need. One of these 6 methods requires 0 subscribers. 0 subscribers. I'll tell you which one, but I'm saving it for last. Let's start with the basics. YouTube now has 2 tiers in its partner program. Tier 1, the basic tier. This is the new one. 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million shorts views in the last 12 months. That's it. You're in. What do you get, man? What do you get? Channel memberships, super thanks, super chat during live streams, and merch shelf. Tier 2, standard IP. This is the original one. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. This is where ad revenue kicks in. The main income most people think of when they say YouTube money. Say YouTube money. So the real question isn't just how do I get monetized? It's which income stream do I go after first, and in what order? Let me show you all 6. The income stream number 1, ad revenue. This is the one everyone knows. YouTube places ads on your videos and pays you a percentage. You need the standard IP. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. How much can you actually make? RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, varies massively by niche and country. Finance content in the US, anywhere from $8 to $30 per 1,000 views. General entertainment, more like $1 to $3. This is why niche selection matters more than view count. A channel about AI tools targeting a US audience, like what we're building, sits in a high RPM niche. That's not an accident. Income stream 2, channel memberships. Available at the basic tier, just 500 subscribers. Viewers pay a monthly fee, typically between $1 and $10 for exclusive perks. The beauty of this? Recurring monthly income. Predictable, reliable, for annual upload. Even 50 members paying $5 a month, that's $250 every single month before a single ad plays. Income stream 3. Super thanks and super chat. Viewers can tip you directly on any video or during the live stream. Also unlocked at the basic tier, 500 subscribers. For creators who go live regularly, this can be massive. Some creators earn more from super chat in one stream than from ad revenue in an entire month. Income stream 4, YouTube shopping. In 2026, YouTube's AI now automatically tags products you mention in your videos and inserts shoppable links. You earn a commission every time a viewer buys. No separate affiliate program needed. YouTube handles it automatically. Income stream 5, and this one is brand new in 2026. YouTube courses. YouTube has built a complete learning platform directly into the app. You can create structured course modules with in-video quizzes, multiple languages, and one-time purchase pricing, all hosted directly on YouTube. No third-party platform, no Teachable, no Udemy, no Kajabi. Your existing YouTube audience, the people already watching your free videos, can buy your course without ever leaving the platform. The conversion rate on this is extraordinary because the audience already trusts you. This single feature can turn a channel with a few thousand subscribers into a real business. Income Stream 6, the one that requires 0 subscribers, YouTube Creator Partnerships Hub. In 2026, YouTube launched a direct brand partnership marketplace built right inside YouTube Studio. Brands come here looking for creators to collaborate with. And here's the part that most people have completely missed. YouTube's AI matches you with relevant brands based on your content topics. Even if you're a brand new channel, a small channel covering AI tools with a highly engaged audience is more valuable to a software brand than a giant general channel with passive viewers. Niche relevance beats subscriber count. Every single time you can start pitching to brands on day 1 of your channel. And now YouTube has built the infrastructure to make those connections happen automatically. This is the biggest underused opportunity in the creator economy right now. So here's the exact order I'd follow if I was starting from 0 today. Step 1, start your channel, post 3 videos, establish your niche clearly. Step 2, hit 500 subscribers. Apply for the Basic YPP immediately. Enable memberships and super thanks the same day. Step 3. Join the Creator Partnerships Hub in YouTube Studio. Set up your profile. Even at a small size, brands will start seeing you. Step 4. Push to 1,000 subscribers. Standard IQ unlocks. Ad revenue begins. Step 5. Once you have consistent content and a loyal audience, start building a YouTube course, even a small one, even a free one to start. The goal isn't to turn on one income stream. It's to layer all 6, so your income grows even when individual streams fluctuate. That's how YouTube channels become real businesses. 6 income streams, starting from as low as 0 subscribers for some of them. The game has changed completely in 2026, and the creators who understand these new rules have a massive advantage over everyone still chasing the old 1,000 subscriber target. Before you go, one question. Which of these 6 income streams are you going to focus on first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll reply to as many as I can. If this video gave you something useful, subscribe. Because next week, I'm going to show you the complete free AI workflow that ties everything we've covered in this series together. You really don't want to miss that one.